Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. My name is Gabriel Grimes, and welcome to my cocina, porque mi cocina es tu cocina. Today, we are going to be making a Mediterranean-inspired chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs. They are a great piece of chicken to cook at any time. They're so juicy. If you ever had chicken breast, you may have come against that, or you may have discovered that it's not as easy as all that to cook. And the reason why is because there's not a lot of fat in the chicken breast. And that's why a lot of people who are really watching some of the things that they're eating will choose chicken breast over chicken thigh. But flavor, bar none, flavor is in the chicken thigh, not in the chicken breast. And so today, Mediterranean-inspired chicken thigh. So come along and I'll show you how to do it. Cumin, turmeric, coriander, chili powder, black pepper, and cardamom, all in here. Now we're gonna take our chicken, and we're gonna put all our chicken in here. Chicken thighs are the best. Why? Because they are so juicy. If you've made chicken breast before and it didn't work out for you because it got too dry, try chicken thigh. It's much more forgiving. So we're gonna put all our spices on our chicken. Make sure we scrape them all off. And here we are going to make sure that every piece of the chicken is evenly coated. And yes, we're using our washed hands to get this done. Massaged, pressed in, make sure that it's into the skin. Okay, oh yeah. Every bit of it has to touch, every bit of the meat touching into our spice rub. And then we're going to, once this is all done, we are going to let it rest for about 1 hour before we throw it onto the skillet, which is the next step. See, make sure it's all nicely touched, nicely coated with our sauce. Five minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other. Now take them out, put them on a plate, because now we're gonna start with our rice. Time to add the onions, and we are going to saute the onions until they become translucent and they start picking up all this beautiful brown stuff at the bottom of this pan. Oh my goodness. All that is what we call flavor. Medium to high heat, remember. As it begins to be translucent, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic in it. And it's time to bring in our ginger. Woo! This is gonna be so good. And finally, our spinach. Spinach will cook down. There's nothing to worry about. Don't worry about this. This is beautiful. Let's mix it up a little. Cook the spinach down. 1 cup of rice. 2 cups of chicken stock or vegetable broth. I'm gonna move this around. Oh, I need some salt. I put about 2 teaspoons of salt in this. And now I'm going to wait for this to start to simmer. Once it starts to boil like that or simmer, now it's time to put in our chicken. to get all these beautiful juices from the chicken. And then we're gonna cover it up and put it in the oven. That's it, Mediterranean chicken thighs. This is such a delicious meal. And the rice, oh my goodness, with the spinach, the ginger, it is so flavorful and very moist. The ginger is what really jumps out at me. And the chicken, let's try the chicken. Now, I'm a big fan of chicken skin. Look, it's a little. Oh, delicious. Packed with all those seasonings that we marinated it in. And now, with the meat. So good. Oh, this is good for a family of 4, bar none. This is a one-pan dinner. So easy to make. And for 4 people, it'll hit the nail on the head. Now, I am probably gonna eat this all by myself because my family have already eaten. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this for me. I'm gonna put this off. The chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and partition it all off and put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna eat on it for the rest of the week. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoy making it and eating it. And come back next week because mi cocina es tu cocina. We're going to make some amazing recipes together. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.